Actually Clean, where excellence meets innovation in the world of cleaning services. We noticed the lack of services that exist to create a successful accommodation experience for both the guests and the hosts, and that's when Actually Clean was born. Whether you're a property owner, vacation rental manager, or a savvy traveler, we've got your back. Our mission is twofold. Firstly, we pride ourselves on being a trusted partner to property owners to maintain their rentals' cleanliness and safety standards. How do we achieve this? Through the power of cutting-edge technology. We leverage advanced technology like 3D walkthroughs and surface antigen testing. With every cleaning service, your assets will be actually clean for each guest. And guess what's coming next? Indoor air quality monitoring, all accessible through our user-friendly cloud-based platform. Secondly, we are dedicated to serving frequent travelers, digital nomads, and wellness-minded individuals who seek top-tier accommodations. Our concierge service goes above and beyond, offering wellness amenities such as yoga mats and supplements. We're on a mission to make wellness a seamless part of your travel experience, because your comfort and well-being matter to us 24/7. So, whether you're a property owner or a traveler seeking the highest level of care during your stay, start your Actually Clean journey today.